Joey right here, and welcome back to the Racing Line TV. It's time now for the Racing Line gear. Now, they always said that your car is sort of an extension to your house, extension to your room or whatsoever. So that's true. And if you find yourself that your car is as messy as your room, just joking. But if you need certain organization inside your car, then watch this one. You might be asking yourself why you need a car organizing kit. Maybe you are very highly organized that everything is already in place inside your car. Well, there might be some exception for that. This is for those who have pretty busy, unpredictable day ahead. So this might help you organize some few things inside your car. Placing it on one area so you won't have a hard time thinking where the heck did you put it. So this can be placed at the passenger side of the vehicle. So with this adjustable slide, it can help you decide which face it is facing. It has a rubber felt here to avoid scratches on your middle console. So first up, this has a USB charger, so you could charge two devices at once and have this one placed on a lighter socket. In case you have another charging slot in front of you, you can also use that otherwise. So what can you place here? There is a coin slot right here to get rid of that clanky coin noises, pens, USB, and some other stuff that you use every day at least. There is also a card slot right here, or it can be your ID, license, or any card that gives you access to anywhere you want to go, so you don't have to get it at your back pocket or maybe at your bag, or maybe a toll gate pass. You can place that here. So there might be different configuration inside some vehicles and might not be that exact fit. This is inside a 2017 Toyota Fortuner, and this one right here is inside the 2017 Isuzu MU-X. Looks a right fit for the MU-X, but for the Fortuner it's not that much of a problem for me. So it's not gonna be a deal breaker. So who is this for? This is for those guys who are always on the go. Now, yes, just like what they said, that your car is always an extension to your house. Now, if you're quite a very hectic, stressful day ahead of you, and of course, getting into your car is another thing. Going to that place is just another thing. Now, misplacing a lot of stuff, giving you stress here and there, aside from the work that you're having right now, the stress of traffic, and etc. So, organizing your car might be somehow taking a little stress out from your daily stress that you have. So now you know where those stuff are located when you're in your car. Just don't forget that when you are going to use that thing, you know where to put it back, and you know the next time that you need it, you know where it is. So that is the Racing Line gear, and we hope that we're able to show to you some different gadgets that we have right here that might help you organize your stuff, or maybe help you in your daily motoring or your daily grind. We'll see you again next time.